Hello friends, in this video we will discuss the integrative review. In integrative review, we synthesize the empirical and the theoretical, that is, both the quantitative and the qualitative methods are used for performing the study, and the results are synthesized into a collective explanation of why and how something is happening. It combines the diverse methods and it creates new frameworks. The integration process is very complex and therefore it makes the integration review a relatively difficult way of evaluating the text. For example, we want to find out the impact of the digital learning tools on the student engagement in higher education. In this, first of all, we will study the quantitative methods, that is, what is the before and after effect of using the digital learning platform and how the scores have changed. Then we also have the qualitative study as to what was the students' experience when they used the online and the without digital learning platform. What is the student experience, and whatever they have gone through, that is collected, and then on the basis of this a comprehensive understanding is developed as to what the student felt and what are the results, so that a more comprehensive result can be summed up using the integrative review. I hope this video is useful to you, and thank you very much for watching.